back to my channel. So for today's video guys is the third day of our educational tour here in Cebu City. For today's video guys is pupunta kami sa Bohol. So wala tayong masyadong educational something ngayon. So more on Bohol talaga siya ngayon. Say hi guys! Hindi ko pwede ipakita. So yung bus namin guys, nandun na sa labas. Magbaba na daw kami pero sabay-sabay na kami magbaba. Ay nga pala, time check. 3:59. Gutom na ako. 3:59, gutom na po ako. Sino yung in charge sa keycard?
Ikaw na lang.
Ako.
Since ikaw nagtanong.
Ready? Wait lang. Ano lang to? Video lang to. O sige, picture.
Ako gusto ko bigla kung tayo lang kayo nakapan.
Ha?
Hoy, naka-skirt ako, di.
Galante.
Naka-skirt na si Lauren. Hoy, tapos. Ay, naka-skirt. Di, ang dali. Hindi ako wala tahimik.
I'm so hungry. So gutom. So gutom. Ano ba yung Skypix? At parang nabila ako ng Skypix kahapon din. Ay, nakain ko nga nakaon ng mic. Pabango pa ate, Nads. Okay. So.
Sila. 13.
Isa po.
Isa lang? Haluin mo na.
Wala.
Para may backup ko.
Sige.
Duhate!
Thank you po sa pagsama.
Kaya 13 na lang.
Say hi to the vlog.
Okay guys, go.
Kamusta na po? Ay, umubula. Ay, tubig.
Ilang akit na ba kayo? Ako na akit nyo?
Win pala.
So ano, nasa malapit na kayo. Ano feeling?
Mahirapan pa kayo dun. Ang daming tao.
It's worth it.
to our studio, we specialized in 2D animation. For us, we are an outsourcing studio. So anyone who needs 2D animation services, we always work for them. So I'll be sharing with you my story. So my name is Imot. So much for that. I'm also an ambassador of Huyon, the animation app that we use here. So this is our branding. I try to create a little Lapu-Lapu because I'm from Lapu-Lapu and we are an island. So it's also good to invite our client. If you want to visit us, we have a very good beach here in Cebu. But I know your beach is far better than ours, so it's Palawan. He asked me this question that changed my life. He told me, "So what's the name of your team?" And actually at first it was a joke. I mean, seriously, it was a joke. And I cannot think of anything else because I was asked on the spot. I was thinking, my name is Imot. I do cartoons. I said, Emotoon, sir. So that's how we started. This is not a demo reel, but an actual animation that we do here.
They all have one thing in common.
Better not get too confident. This time, I promise, right?
Too much, Chuck. Much better this way. With your mouth shut.
So that's one of the animations that we do here in the studio. Question, wala na? So guys, question?
Dalawa po yung tanong ko po. Pero first po, out of curiosity, yung voiceovers niyo rin ba po kayong gumagawa tapos same for the aesthetics?
Good question. We are an animation production studio. We don't do sound effects here. It's actually being provided by another company. But most of the time, my clients provide me the voiceover. Just like what Sir Alvin said, it's very hard for us to start working on animation if we don't have the voiceovers. We need that for timing, especially for conversational. If an instance the client doesn't provide us, same as what Sir Abed is doing, we do dummy voiceovers here, and then eventually we'll just replace it with the original ones. For the background music, it's being created by another company. So I have a partner in Singapore that usually if I have projects, I just told him, I have a project and I know his price already. I include that already to my quotation. So when we work, I just give it to him. Question. One more. Second.
What was your price? What was your price range as a beginner, and what was your price range when you established your business?
When I was starting, very simple yung mga animation that I do. I think I charge around maybe $200-$300 per minute. So that's around 15,000 per minute of animation. And that time I was just working it alone or a few of us. But right now, we're working for around 3,000 to sometimes I even charge $5,000. It's really complex animation. But they say complex. Imagine that guy doing the coloring. He's not doing the animation, just the coloring. It took how many days already for just the coloring? He's coloring only for 2 seconds. So that's how expensive animation is. Because it requires a lot of
to the vlog. Kamusta po kayo? Cleaning pa sila, Tere!
Ano pa sila nandyan?
Hi guys, and welcome back to the last and final day here in our educational tour here in Cebu. So yan na nga, nagapack na po kami. So mamaya pupunta na kami. Actually, may first batch na nagpunta sa airport. Tapos, ang flight namin is 2 o'clock, 2:45 to be exact. Tapos, yung second batch, babalikan lang kami. So doon kami may kisabay sa second batch na van. Van, di ba? Or bus? Van. Van papunta doon sa airport. So actually yan, okay na yung aking baggage at ang aking baggage is a total of 13 kg. Kagabi, 12 kg pero may dinagdag ako, 13 kg na ngayon. So, no problem kasi nag-ano tayo ng 20 kg worth 850. Pero mas mura yata sa website ni Cebu Pack. So, yun lang guys. See you at the airport and let's go! Hey guys, and we are now back home and now I can finally rest. Nakakapagod ang tour. Nakakapagod ang tour, but it was all worth it. So now guys, I will now do my outro for today's video. So first of all po, I would like to give thanks to the people behind this tour for making this possible, which is our professor, our university, our dean. Thank you po, dean. Thank you rin po sa mga professor namin, kay Ma'am AB, kay Sir Alvin, kay Sir Jules, kay Ma'am Che. Thank you po. And thank you rin po sa mga tour guides namin, sa travel agency na nag-handle sa amin. Thank you po. Na-enjoy po namin kahit nakakapagod po. Super enjoy po siya kahit nakakapagod. This was a very memorable and a very educational tour. Probably this is a 3 parts or 2 parts lang na video kasi nga hindi naman ako masyadong nag-vlog lalo nung third day kasi nung third day nag-atake talaga yung GERD ko. I wasn't able to focus completely. So, ang buti na lang talaga may kasama ko na nag-aalalay sa akin. So, ayun. So, from someone na may GERD na nag-went in a 5-day tour, ang masasabi ko lang sa inyo, ang tip ko lang sa inyo guys is magbaon kayo ng madaming skyflakes. Tapos magbaon kayo ng isang pack ng Malox. Oo, alam ko mahal. Alam ko mahal, pero mag-ano kayo ng Malox. And that is all guys for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So that is all guys. Bye and see you on the next video. Bye!